What is going on, crypto fiends? Rhymertello here. Today we are going to be diving into how you can earn up to 18% on your cryptocurrency holdings by literally really doing nothing. Yes, this is legit. This is not a pyramid scheme. This is not a scam. This is all made possible by Crypto.com, and we are going to be diving into it today. Now, before we get any further, I just want to let you guys know we are going to be doing a hardware cryptocurrency wallet giveaway. This is a treasure that we are going to be giving away on the channel. This is the Treasure White. It's brand new in the packaging, so stay tuned. Later this week, we will be giving this bad boy away. I'm going to be reviewing this one as well as their Treasure T model as well. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because this is going to one lucky subscriber. So today, I want to discuss one section on the Crypto.com platform called Earn. Now, if you guys are not familiar with Crypto.com, they have a lot going on for them. They have their wallet, they have their exchange, they have their on-ramps, they have their Earn platform, they have their Pay platform, and they have their MCO Visa cards. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I did do an MCO Visa card unboxing maybe a couple weeks ago, so maybe check that out if you are interested in getting an MCO card. But today I want to focus on the Earn section of their platform because I feel like a lot of people don't know about this and you guys should really take advantage. So we're going to be diving into what it's all about, how it works, the most asked questions, all of that sort of stuff, and how you guys can literally earn up to 18% on your crypto today. So to start things off, I want to briefly go over what Earn is, how it sort of works, the benefits for the users, us, and the benefits for Crypto.com, and so it all makes sense to you guys. So Crypto.com has a platform called Earn. It's a way of giving Crypto.com your cryptocurrency, and in return they will give you interest on that cryptocurrency every 7 days. And the benefits of this, of course, is you earn interest on the crypto that you would most likely just have sitting in a wallet anyways. So in return, you get a fixed percentage rate on your crypto, and then they get to hold that crypto for an extended period of time. So it is a win-win situation. Now, of course, at the end of whatever time period that you choose, which we will be looking at in a little bit, of course, you get your cryptocurrency back, and you also have received all of the interest of that crypto as well. So you are literally earning crypto for just storing crypto locked up on a wallet pretty much. Now, I can see this platform, well, it is very beneficial for people that are hodlers or long-term holders that have a handful of cryptocurrencies on this list that I will discuss in a second, and they're just sitting in a wallet. They're not doing anything. They're not moving them around. They're not trading them. They're just holding on to them for multiple years to come. This is the perfect opportunity for you guys to take advantage and put that crypto to work. Earn some extra crypto by holding that crypto locked up with Crypto.com. So no more rambling. Let's get into some details of what this is all about. So currently, they offer a handful of different cryptocurrencies on this list. They're continuing to add new cryptos. I would say maybe 1 to 2 every single month. It does depend. They currently offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Binance, MCO, CRO, Chainlink, Basic Attention Token, Maker, TrueUSD, Paxos Standard, USD Coin, DAI, and Tether. These are all of the cryptocurrencies that you can earn interest off of by storing with Crypto.com. This is currently unavailable, I should say, to residents in Hong Kong, Switzerland, and Malta. They are currently working on jurisdiction issues, so stay tuned if you are in those areas for this platform to come out. Now, when it comes to the United States and Singapore, currently the United States and Singapore cannot earn interest off of Tether, USDT. Who cares anyways? Am I right, guys? But just so you guys know, you cannot earn interest off of Tether right now. And then in Singapore specifically, you cannot earn interest off of Paxos, TrueUSD, USDC, and Tether as well. So pretty much all the stable coins except DAI. So going into the APR rates, because this is what we all want to hear, right? They have 3 different terms, so a couple different options for you guys. They have a flexible term, they have a 1-month term, and the 3-month term. Obviously, the higher the term, the better percentage APR you are going to receive. Now, they have different tiers. They have a staking tier and no staking tier. So with the no staking tier, your APR rate is going to be lower. With the 500 MCO stake, that's going to be a higher APR. Now, looking at the chart here, as you guys can see, we have a long list of cryptos over here to choose from, and we have all the percentages. So like I said, guys, you can earn up to 18%. This is the highest you can earn right now on Crypto.com. Now, this is if you are holding 500 MCOs staked on your account. So if you do have an MCO Visa card and you had a stake 500, you are good to go, and you can earn 18% with CRO, which is Crypto.com's second cryptocurrency. So if you have CRO just sitting in a wallet because you're a big supporter of Crypto.com and you're a believer in them, why not earn 18%? 18% on your CRO by simply locking it up with the Earn platform, and that's it. So as you guys can see, the rates are all different. Now, we are going to be actually locking up some of my personal crypto holdings in this video, so stay tuned for that a little bit later on. We're going to be locking up some Binance coin, and we're going to be locking up some Chainlink, and I'm going to be doing it for a 3-month period with a 500 MCO staked, because I do have 500 MCO staked. I do have an MCO Visa card. If you guys have not seen that unboxing video, I did post it a couple weeks ago. Go check that out. So I will be earning 8% on my Binance coin and 8% on my Chainlink as well. Diving a little further into a handful of different questions that you guys might have. So first off, can I make more than one deposit for Crypto Earn? Yes, you can actually make up to $1 million worth of deposits to the Earn platform. So if you are a high baller, if you got $1 million in crypto that you want to lock up to the interest platform, you can do so, and that's that. Now, there is a minimum, of course. The minimum varies on different cryptocurrencies, which we will be looking at in a second. But the next question I have for you guys, that is a very common asked question: can I deposit different cryptos for different terms? Yes, you can. If you want to lock up some Bitcoin for 1 month and some Binance coin for 3 months, no problem, as long as it does not exceed $1 million, and as long as it is at least the minimum. So currently, these are the minimums for the select cryptocurrencies. Now, that is for the fixed terms only. When it comes to the flexible terms, this is a little bit lower when it comes to the minimum. So how is the daily interest calculated? This is a big question, because if you're going to be locking up your hard-earned cryptocurrency with Crypto.com, you want to know how it works. So the formula for the fixed term looks something like this. Daily interest equals principal amount in original crypto times APR divided by 365. For example, if you staked MCO tokens, you opted for a 1-month term and deposited 1 Bitcoin, your calculation would be 1 times 6% divided by 365. When it comes to the flexible term calculation formula, you have daily interest equals the minimum daily balance times APR divided by 365. When will I receive my interest from my deposits? You'll actually receive your interest every 7 days, and it will be deposited directly into your crypto wallet on the Crypto.com app. You will have complete access to it right away, so if you want to take that cryptocurrency and throw it back into the Earn platform and sort of compound your interest, you can do so. Or you can completely withdraw it, you could sell it, you could do whatever you want with it, but you do get access to it right away every 7 days. What currency will the interest be paid out in? The interest will be paid out in the same exact currency that you locked up on the Earn platform. So for example, if I locked up Ethereum, I will be receiving Ethereum in interest into my crypto wallet. What happens when I reach the end of a fixed term? Your fixed term deposits, the cryptocurrencies that will be locked up, will automatically transfer into a flexible term, and then that way you can have access to them and manage if you want to put them back into a fixed term or you want to keep them into a flexible term where you can have access to your funds. Now again guys, after your fixed term you will receive 100% of your funds back, as well as earning all of that interest along the way. Now, if you guys are interested, there will be a link in the description. It is a referral link. So if you sign up for that with that link, you will receive $50 and I will receive $50 as well. So it is a win-win situation. You literally have nothing to lose. So you might as well get $50 for free. Hit that link in the description and sign up if you would like to do so. So next up, we are going to be going over to my Crypto.com app, and we are going to be locking up some Binance coin and some Chainlink under the Earn platform. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is, guys. I'm not messing around. Let's go ahead and check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Crypto.com, and I'm gonna have a screen recorder here for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm seeing. Crypto.com is opening up, and this is the home screen. So as you guys can see, my total, my crypto wallet, you have the crypto earn, fiat wallet, MCO Visa card, all that sort of stuff. We're gonna go ahead and click on the crypto earn. Earn up to 18% PA on your crypto assets. Receive money every 7 days. I have with 500 or more MCO stakes, so I am going to be getting the higher percentage. And then I'm going to click which cryptocurrency I want to do first. We're going to go ahead and do the Binance coin first, get that one out of the way. And then I get to select my term. So flexible, 4%, 1 month, 6%. I'm going to go ahead and click the 3 month because why not? I'm not going to be using this Binance coin for the next 90 days. So I might as well just lock it up and get the highest interest I can off of it. So 3 months, we're going to go with that one and continue. Go ahead and make sure you select all of these check boxes. Make sure you read all of the important information and continue. And then we get to choose how many BNB we want to lock up. I'm going to lock up the max. That's 54.6 that we're going to be doing, and around $1,200 as of right now for a 3-month period at 8%. So let's go ahead and confirm this. And price expired, so let's try that again. Deposit, check everything, confirm, put in my passcode, and we should be good to go. This is literally the first time I'm ever doing this, guys, so I don't want you to think I've done this before. First time I'm doing this, but of course I've done a lot of research on this before even considering it, and I highly advise that you guys do this as well, because keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and make sure you're confident in doing this. I'm not trying to pressure anyone in earning extra crypto off of their current crypto holdings. So there we have it. 3-month term ends in 90 days. Binance coin 54.6 locked up at 8%. So let's go ahead and lock up some Chainlink next. As you guys can see, 3-month term, Binance coin, etc. Let's hit the plus sign. This should allow us to add our next asset, Chainlink. Go ahead with the 3-month period again. Click all the boxes. Make sure everything's good to go. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of my Chainlink, which is 312. I'm going to do the max. And I am going to deposit this to the Earn platform, 8%. Make sure you read over everything and confirm. Put in my password. And there you go. You deposit 312 link. So there you have it, guys. I just deposited Binance coin and Chainlink into the Earn platform. I will be earning 8% PA, and this ends in 90 days. At the end of the 90 days, I can take my crypto back and do whatever I want with it, or I can put it back into the Earn platform and continue to do this. Like I said, guys, this is going to be really beneficial for people that are long-term holders, that are hodlers, that aren't really worried about where the price is today or where it's going to be tomorrow, that have a bigger picture on things. So if you're going to need access to your funds next week, this is probably not the best idea for you. They do have the flexible option, so you could check that out as well. But if you want to seek the highest rewards, you definitely want to go with the 3-month and with the 500 MCO stake. Now again, guys, I will leave a link in the description. It's a referral link. If you use that link to create an account, you will receive $50, and I will receive $50 as well, so it's a little incentive for both of us. This is literally the best referral program that I've seen out of anywhere in the cryptocurrency space. $50 in MCO rewards, that is crazy good. So you might as well take advantage of it and use the link in the description. Now keep in mind, guys, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, because we are going to be giving away a treasure wallet this week to one lucky subscriber, and I would love for it to be you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on this giveaway, and who knows, maybe more giveaways down the road. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I will answer all of them. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next.